Data is everywhere, but clarity, consistency, and control, that's a different story. Say hello to Strategy Mosaic, the first universal intelligent semantic layer built to bring it all together. Mosaic helps you unify data, simplify governance, and scale analytics across your entire organization. With Mosaic, you can easily connect Tableau, Power BI, Excel, Google Sheets, and more than 200 data sources through one consistent governed layer. No more conflicting metrics or definitions. Mosaic keeps your logic, KPIs, and calculations aligned across every tool you use, so everyone's speaking the same data language. Worried about security? Mosaic has your back. Access is centrally managed and policies are enforced everywhere, so your data stays safe and secure. Concerned about cloud cost or performance? Mosaic's built-in query acceleration engine uses smart caching, in-memory processing, and push-down queries to speed things up and cut cloud spend. And with AI-powered model creation, you can build, enrich, and cleanse data models faster without drowning in manual work. Mosaic makes it easy for anyone to understand and use data with clear definitions, helping teams build with confidence. As your business starts to adopt AI, Mosaic gives your models the context they need to understand your data like an analyst would. Best of all, you stay in control. Whether you switch BI tools, move to a new data platform, or migrate cloud providers, your business logic stays intact. No vendor lock-in, no rebuilds. With Strategy Mosaic, you connect everything, govern with ease, and scale without limits. Let's bring order to chaos and unlock your data's full potential.